Hello everyone, I'm your English teacher and I hope that everything is good with you and your family. Now today we will take up the revision of the chapter from the diary of Anne Frank from your first flight book. So again, before the start of this chapter, I will ask you a few questions related to this one. My first question is that do you keep diaries? Of course, many of you may or may not. So next question, if you keep diaries, what would you love to write in your diaries? You may love to write your personal experiences, events that happen outside from your house, whatever you feel comfortable, you can write in your diaries. So now, this from the diary of Anne Frank. In this, we come to know that the author feels that it is a strange and unusual for a 13-year-old child to write diaries, because it is the first time that Anne Frank is going to write down her diary, and she feels that in the future no one will read about a young girl's past experiences. But then she puts these thoughts away and decides to write her thoughts. Now what happened? The author is feeling very lonely as he has no friend to talk to. So she wants to give her need of a friend as a shape. So hence she decides to name the diary as a kitty. The writer feels that the paper has more capacity to observe thoughts rather than people who have very low patience level. He has a good time with friends but can't share everything with them, as they are not true friends. She refers to her father as the most lovable, who present her diary on her 13th birthday. So on June 20, 1942, she mentions how her class is nervous about their result. Anne Frank is going to write about her class result. The author says that the only subject she is unsure about is mathematics. She and her friend G are trying to stop the students from making noise, but to no avail. According to the author, but the quarter of the class should not pass as they do not practice in any activities. They are sure about their result. So Anne recalls how the math professor is constantly irritated by her talkativeness. While talking in his classes, he gives her extra homework as punishment. So what was the first punishment? The first punishment is to write an essay on chatterbox, which the author thinks as weird. She imagines about the topic and decides to present concrete argument in support of talking. She writes that she will try to better herself but can't eliminate talking completely. The professor finds it amusing but allots another topic after she did not change her nature. The topic is an incorrigible chatterbox, which refers to a habit that is difficult to change. So after keeping an eye on her, the professor gives her another topic, quack, 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 said Mistress Chatterbox, as a punishment. She runs out of thoughts after writing 2 times on a similar topic. She decides to write her third topic in the form of a poem and writes a style, and luckily the professor takes it lightly. The professor recited the entire poem in front of the class, and author talked uninterruptedly after this one. So the conclusion of this chapter, we can say that in this story from the diary of Anne Frank, we can conclude that a young student needs to talk and feel joyous in order to stay mentally fit. Now I hope you understood 2 chapters and 1 poem. In your today's online class, your teacher will discuss the question answers of this chapter. Till the time, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.